Good morning everyone, welcome to the new video, and after a long time I'm back with a moto vlog finally. I feel so good riding my bike again. I feel so happy about it. I don't know if you can see me or not, but I have a light here. Yeah, I'll stand here and talk. So my friends and I have planned to go to Chikkamagaluru, and it's a very cliche place, but I haven't gone on a road trip from about Gujarat time. That was, I don't know, so many months ago. So after a long time I'm going again. It feels so good, and I hope you like this journey of mine. I know most of you have been to Chikkamagaluru already, but I hope you want to stay back to see the experience that we have in the places that we go. Maybe perhaps there are some places which you haven't seen, but let's see. So yeah, please keep watching the whole video. We'll have some good experiences and I'll be very happy to share it with you. My bike is ready, it's here. I don't know if you can see again. Everything is ready. My friends are already there. They're at Nelmangla toll. It's about 36 kilometers from here, and they're already there. I'm already 40 kilometers behind, so I have to catch up with them. Let's see how the ride goes, and I'll keep letting you know what's happening. And this jacket, I haven't washed it. It's a very foolish mistake from me that I haven't washed my jacket. But yeah, please don't get disgusted looking at my jacket and the dust it has. Otherwise, yes, let's see how it goes. And oh, one more thing, it's about 320 kilometers from one way, and my friends are planning to stay there a night, but I have some work on Sunday, so I'll be coming back in the same day. So I'll be coming back today again. So it's about 750 kilometers for me a ride. So yeah, let's conserve some energy and let's start with the ride, and I hope you enjoy. So see you on the road. Phone pay, card ilva ana full tank 940. I'm waiting at the checkpoint. I just had one friend has come. We're waiting for two more. We were about 6 people who were supposed to go, but 2 of them backed out. So we are 4 of us going now. So we are waiting at Nelmangla, and there's a super bike. Yeah. So we're at Nelmangla. We just crossed Nelmangla toll right now. Let's wait for our friends and we'll leave. There's 2 minutes ago, I can't hear anything.
ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಕಸಿನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ
ಇವ್ರು ಹಾಸನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಂತವ್ರೆ.
ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗೋದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದಾ? ನಂಗೆ
ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ.
ಬಿಡ್ ಬ್ರೋ,
ಶೋ ಹಿಮ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಬೇಡ ಬ್ರೋ.
Was that Kamat hotel, but instead we decided to eat somewhere else, and now I'm riding the new Scram. It looks so it has such a good posture. Let's see how it feels riding longer. We had breakfast there, but we need good tea. So good tea is opposite that side, so we are going there. Good tea. How was breakfast, boys?
It was okay.
Not good. Baba. I've taken some rest. Not that I'm tired. One of the friend is, he's left behind, so I'm just waiting for him. It's going good. We've done 170 kilometers already. I'm not saying anything because it's all a plain highway, so it's all boring there. But yeah, we've done 170 kilometers already. We just have another 158 kilometers. Let's see how it goes. For now it's fun, it's going good. Let's see if I find anything good, I'll show you on the road. Otherwise, see you whenever we stop or whenever we talk. So see you again.
Hey.
We lost our friend again, the one in Himalayan. We're waiting for him. Let's see where he is.
ಲೈವ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿಲೇ
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. ಹಾಂ
ನಾವಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ನು ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ನಂದೀಶ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Also guys, I wanted to show you this place. Whenever I go to Chikkamagaluru, I see this place and this place looks so beautiful to me, and that's what I do. I see this, I wish I could go inside, but it's a private property, I can't go in, but I really want to, once go inside, take good pictures there, because I really love that place. Yeah, at least someday I'll come here, I'll go inside. Yeah, let's see when. Oh, what a beautiful landscape. Look at this, a beautiful lake and that hill view, it's perfect. Oh, they're waiting again. Oh, we lost the Himalayan again, friend. ನಿಧಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು? ನಿಧಿ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹಲೋ
ಬ್ರೋ, ನಾವು ಇದು ನಂದೀಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು, ಅವ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಕಾಯ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೊಬೈಲು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಅವ್ನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅವನೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
We found him. He called us to his cousin. He has reached Belur. It's about 15 kilometers from here. Things are getting crazier again. I don't know, I guess I'll explain to you when I reach somewhere peaceful. Now it's too chaotic, I cannot explain. Okay, so Sringeri 98, Hornadu 102, Kudramik 118. Again, such a beautiful landscape this is. Wow, it's a great picture. There's so many one ways here. Oh god, I have to take so many shortcuts. There's a Mayur hotel which is very famous, so Mayura hotel, sorry, and we're parking so that we have our lunch and then take our journey forward. So we are losing people again and again. I don't know, I'll explain to you very soon. Yes, again a Himalayan is missing. It's always such a big feeling to ride through these roads. It's awesome. These houses, these curves, they look so amazing, and the side curves, all this green. I don't know how to explain while riding. I'm not able to explain it to you better, but I hope you're understanding what I mean. Oh wow! Look at these trees. They look They look spooky and beautiful at the same time. Yeah, I don't know how to explain, but they look so good. Oh, we have to stop again. Something's happening. Huh?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮುಂದೆ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ, ಅವ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಂದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ
ನನಗೆ ಬಂತ
ಬ್ರೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಣ ಬೈಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ,
ಗಾಡಿ ಅದು ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನಿಮ್ದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ.
ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ,
ಹಾಂ,
ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಅದು ಐಡ್ಲಿಂಗಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಆಫ್ ಆಯಿತು,
ಹಾಂ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ರಿಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಐಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಆನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. The vlog is going very bad. I'm not able to record anything because there's some or the other thing that's coming up which is preventing me from recording things. I also deleted 2 clips by mistake. So, but now we are waiting for another friend who was missing earlier. So again we are waiting for him. And the Classic 350 also had an issue. We are just checking that issue. And look at this location. This is a very great location. We are again waiting. We're still waiting for our friend. Hopefully comes soon because they are staying back home. They are staying here on a homestay. I'm going back home, so I have to finish everything. I just have to see 1 or 2 spots and then go back. Otherwise, what's the point of riding so long? But yeah, but this view is so good. I don't know. I want to click a picture. Let's see if I get a picture of the bike. But yeah, enjoy the view.
ಹೋಗು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು.